Hey, how's everybody doing today? I'm going to show you how I built this router sled to clean and flatten out these guitars and get them to the thickness I want. And I can put anything in there that big if I want to, from there to there. Hey, let's come back and watch me go. Let's get this thing done today. Stick with me. See y'all later. Okay, that's us. Let's do it. I found it. Let's get the dust collector going and fire up the shop smith and, well, let's get it out of there. So. Just polish it up. Put that on there. We're going to center them up. We're going to get it just perfect. And we're going to mount these on here. Now we got the marks on it. We're going to turn it over. We're going to put these on here to where they line up with the marks on the inside right there like that. Let's get the other. Now, see, that's going to sit right there just like that. And this one here is going to go on this side just like this. When we get done with that, we hope we put it on here and it fits, right? Okay, this is how it sets up. Next thing I got to do is I got to make me some hold downs to hold this thing down so it won't move while I'm working, because I'm gonna work it as a sled, but I'm also going to do some fine trimming on this thing. So yeah, I'm gonna probably line up and cut truss rods with this right here if it works like I want. So we're gonna try it, but hey, that's what we got to get worked out. Then I think I'm gonna make sawdust. So let's go. Normally when you put these in, people put them in and use a screwdriver to put that in, but it's hard to get it straight and lined up, and it's also, those break off real bad. So I cut me off a bolt, put 2 nuts on it, so I'd have a backup nut. So I run it down on there about, heck, over halfway, nice and deep. See, down in there like that. Run a nut against it, and then run this nut down as a jam nut. Where? All right, got that one in. What I want to do is this on the bottom of it right here, so I can lock it into this vise and it won't move, and I can use it in here, or I can put it out there and lock it at that other table. So either way, I got a way to lock it. So it's going to be like a bench vise. Yeah, there you go. It's going to be like a bench vise. But we're going to push it back out of the way right now. And we're going to bring this thing back up here. Okay, I got it all moved out to the shop because I wasn't making that mess in my office. The Barbasol playing cards, yep, there they are. I'm using them for shims to hold this thing where it's a little bit wonky and to get it down so we can get it where we want it. So, what I'm going to do is I've got the router set up and I've got it bottomed out where it's high on this end, low on this end. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring it down. And I'm going to start, and it's going to hit right about there is where I'm going to start. So once I start hitting it, I'm going to start working it back and forth and go all the way to that end of the neck. Then we'll come down and check everything, and then we'll make another, drop it down and make another pass. That's the only way I know to do it, guys. So we're just going to see how it works.